All right, today we're going to unbox my new fancy budgeting set from Fancy Budgeting. I have opened the box, but I haven't taken anything out, so you'll get first sight of what's in the box. Let's get started. Oh, this looks fun. So I did get the classic kit. So here's a card of the classic kit and what is inside. Book to Fancy, budget book to Fancy, and some clips and a notepad, pen, some whiteout. Let's dig in and see. Okay, here's some little cards. Fancy Budgeting, their QR code. A thank you, which gives a little note from Fancy, the owner. Token to gratitude is a coupon. And definition of a budgeteer. Next level budgeter, one who's well acquainted with the finances through the budgeting practices of Fancy. One who never wonders where their money went because they already know. Very cool little cards. Okay, all this fun packing stuff. Let me get this out of the way and then I'll come back and we'll look at each item as I pull it out of the box. Okay, so this is what's in the box. Free gift of some fancy washi tape. This is the whiteout little white tape correction tape runner. And then this is the box of budget planner. And in here we have some cute little rose clips, a sticky note pad. Oh, and it's big brand sticky note pad. This is a bookmark. And these are a manifestation bank of the universe so that you can write yourself checks for things that you intend. And then this is a budget sheet for, I'm not sure yet. We'll have to figure that out. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that. This is like a vegan leather cover with silver corner protectors and a silver ring. Very pretty. And then here's the pen, and it's a very nice pen. And then some dice for the little game that is inside the planner. So let's get into the box and take a look at what's in the planner. All right. So pretty. This fancy budgeting book belongs to you. Title page. Let's move these things over so we can be in frame. Fancy stands for financial accuracy, navigating coins yearly. The budgeting method that she uses is 10, 20, 30, 40, 10% giving, 20% savings, 30% spending, and 40% living. And then she has a definition of what each of those means. So a savings is an emergency fund, sinking funds, retirement, college, etc. Spending is a variable spending expenses, your cash envelopes. Your living are all your bills that you pay. Then we have lots of inspiration. Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can, and let God do what you can't. Very sweet. My budget story and my budget why. So you can document why you're trying to budget and why you're on this journey. You can't be what you can't see. Affirmations and manifestations. Affirm until seen because thoughts become things. So you place for you to write affirmations. We have more inspiration. Begin each day with prayer and a grateful heart. Then you have a gratitude and Thanksgiving journaling page. Then you have a 2-page spread vision board. That's really nice. So you can vision out what your year is like and why you're doing this. Important dates and celebrations. I like that. This is a really cute page with all the Polaroids. I think it'd be really cute if I printed out pictures of things we're doing and stuck them in there. That'd be really super cute. 12-month book challenge, which I'm totally doing, trying to get reading more. And so this is going to be awesome. Quarterly goals. This is a chance for you to set quarterly goals and write them down. Then you have your debt snowball and debt avalanche. These are 2 different ways of paying off debt, 2 different approaches. And so you pick one and here you document what you're doing. Debt payoff progression list. So here you can track how you're paying off your debt. Here's a debt payoff tracker so that you can see visually how you're paying your debt down. This is your emergency fund tracker. Listen to me. Emergency fund tracker with a visual so you can see how you're increasing your goals. Sinking funds at a glance. Visual tracker for sinking funds. Then you have your piggy bank of savings. That's really cute page with all the visual coins. Then you have your fancy to saveopoly. So this is like Monopoly, and that's what the little dice are for, so that you can play the game. And that makes your savings journey more interactive. Some more information about savings and a challenge for you to complete all of these laws and save $14,664 if you completed all of these. Budget to Christmas. So this is your Christmas budget. And I believe that's what this is for, your budget sheet for Christmas. I'm going to read more about it and see how we're using that. Gift shopping budget list. Then you have bill pay dashboard. These are all your bills and whether you paid them each month of the year. Check off. Then you have a monthly spread. So this is a glimpse of the month. And here's a little letter you can write to yourself, to-do list, a challenge, what purchases you've made, a quote or affirmation, and then a note box. Then over here you have the book of the month that you're reading, what your focus word is, celebrations, what's coming up, your income tracker, and your goals and your gratitude. You have a mood board. Then you have your monthly calendar. I guess these are all the months. Let's see. No, okay, you have 2 calendars. You have 3 calendars to for tracking different things, I suppose. Then you have bills and debts, your cash envelopes, your sinking funds, your savings, your expenses, a lot of sheets for expenses, and that's good because I have lots of bills. Then you have your paychecks, and then you have notes. Then you have a monthly reflection and tally sheet. Then you have budgeting mood checklist, and then we start over with the next month. So that's a lot every month. We have all the same sheets and then each month. So this is a very hefty planner for the year. You have all of those sheets for every month. And then let me get to the end of it. In the end, then you have your overall annual budget mood. And then here begins your annual budget review. You have your reality check. What was your incomes, deposits, tithes, bills, debts, envelopes, sinking, and savings? Bill breakdowns, debt breakdowns, cash envelope breakdowns, and note sheets. You have lots of pages of notes. And then some dot grid notes. And then you have in closing, letter to yourself. And that's it. And then there's some ribbons that have been taped down in the back. Some ribbon bookmarks. So you have 2 ribbon bookmarks that you can use throughout your planner. And pages don't want to move very smoothly on this spiral today, but I'm sure it will loosen up. So that is the budget book to fancy. I love it. I am excited about using it and all the goodies that came with it. I hope you enjoyed the little walkthrough and my unboxing. And I will post in the description below information about where you can find this. Thanks again for watching. Be blessed.